The most beautiful part of the Muslim community is how strongly we stand together to benefit humanity. Or at least, that's how it should be. Unfortunately, our community is in shambles, our ideas and ethics are confused, and we are plagued by doubt. Our identity is lost. We need something that can tackle the root of the problem while allowing our community to grow. We need a foundation of faith. At Yaqeen, we focus on doing exactly that. All of our work is centered on 3 areas: dismantling doubts to establish the firm roots of faith, nurturing conviction to strengthen existing faith and help it grow, and inspiring contribution to empower our community to benefit all of humanity. It all starts with a paper. A dynamic team of researchers and editors write academic papers that not only address doubts, but serve as a think tank for new ideas that are Islamically authentic and academically credible. These high-level papers are turned into accessible content that everyone can interact with, like simple infographics, engaging videos and audiobooks, curriculum and resources for youth of all ages, and programs for the leaders in our community. With programs like Conviction Circles, we've provided a space for our community to critically explore faith and nurture certainty in all of our hearts. Through Yaqeen, we are empowering people to become confident Muslims who can bring positive change to our society. By sticking to these 3 areas, we've not only helped individual Muslims, but we've created an authentic voice for change that speaks not only to Muslims, but people of all backgrounds. We are reclaiming our narrative to produce that strong, beautiful community, standing together to benefit humanity by dismantling doubts and nurturing conviction, one truth at a time.